Why do I sometimes lose my erection during sex? Today, I'd like to talk about a very common concern among men. Many people hope they'll be able to stay fully erect from start to finish without any interruptions. But here's something important I want you to understand. That expectation is unrealistic. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Emma. If you have questions about sexual health, intimacy, or relationships, feel free to leave a comment or send us a message. We always appreciate hearing from you. Just like every other aspect of life, our bodies don't perform perfectly 100% of the time. There are good days and bad days. The more pressure you put on yourself, the harder it often becomes. In psychology, there's a concept called performance anxiety. The more you worry about something going wrong, the more likely it is to happen. Many men experience exactly this during sexual activity. Everything may be going well, and then suddenly a thought appears. Am I hard enough? You check your erection. You touch yourself to test it. You start monitoring your performance, and within seconds, your erection begins to fade. Sound familiar? That's because you've shifted your attention away from pleasure and toward evaluation. Instead of enjoying the experience, you're grading yourself, and that's where the problem begins. One of the most important lessons I want you to remember is this. Your brain is the largest and most important sexual organ in your body. When you become preoccupied with performance, your brain shifts into a state of stress and self-monitoring. When that happens, arousal naturally decreases. So the next time you notice yourself wondering whether you're hard enough, don't check. Instead, ask yourself a different question. Am I feeling pleasure right now? Bring your attention back to the sensations, the connection, and the enjoyment of the moment. When your focus returns to pleasure, your body often responds naturally. If you frequently experience erections that come and go, even when you're alone, it may be helpful to begin practicing during masturbation. Masturbation isn't just about release. It can also be a form of training. It's an opportunity to learn how your body responds to different thoughts, emotions, and sensations. Many people naturally use their hands, but there are also training devices available that can simulate different levels of stimulation. The goal isn't to create perfect conditions. The goal is to learn how to stay focused on pleasure instead of constantly monitoring performance. Some men discover that they can maintain an erection easily when they're alone, but struggle during partnered sex. That doesn't mean the practice isn't working. Real-life intimacy involves emotional pressure, vulnerability, expectations, and interaction with another person. Naturally, it feels different. Think of it like practicing a sport. Training alone is valuable, but stepping onto the field is still a different experience. Sex therapists have long used a technique known as Sensate Focus training. The basic idea is simple. Instead of focusing on performance, focus on sensation. Instead of worrying about erection quality, focus on touch. Instead of wondering whether you're succeeding, focus on whether you're enjoying yourself. By redirecting your attention toward physical and emotional pleasure, you reduce anxiety and allow arousal to develop more naturally. Over time, this can help break the cycle of performance anxiety and restore confidence. Some people ask, what if I don't currently have a partner? That's a separate issue. Sexual confidence isn't only about physical performance. Relationships, communication skills, social confidence, and emotional connection all play important roles as well. Developing those skills can create more opportunities for meaningful intimacy in the future. If your erections occasionally become softer during sex, don't immediately assume you have a medical problem. Ask yourself, do I still get erections most of the time? Can I achieve erections during masturbation? Am I focusing too much on performance? Am I constantly checking whether I'm hard enough? If the answer is yes, performance anxiety may be playing a larger role than you realize. Remember, a good sexual experience isn't about achieving perfection. It's about being present. It's about connection. And most importantly, it's about pleasure. The more you focus on enjoying the experience, the less likely you are to get trapped in the cycle of anxiety and self-monitoring.